All right, a fight for visitation now with a family torn apart by a brutal murder with 4 children caught in the middle. The parents of Jared Bridegan, the father of 4, who was killed in an ambush murder in Jacksonville Beach 2 years ago, they're asking a Washington state judge for visitation rights with Bridegan's 2 older children. Their mother is Shanna Gardner, Bridegan's ex-wife, who's charged with orchestrating his shooting death with her estranged husband, Mario Fernandez. Both are awaiting trial for first-degree murder and other charges. News4JAX I-Team investigator Vic Micolucci spoke with Bridegan's sister, who says her parents want to see their grandchildren.
Their father was murdered in February 2022. Their mother is behind bars, one of 3 people charged with killing him. It's an unimaginable situation for Jared Bridegan's older 2 children, twins who are now 11 years old. We're not giving their full names or showing their faces for their privacy.
How can you even imagine that, being a kid?
You know, I know how much they're struggling through this, and I know how much they miss their father. They have told me that. And so it is extremely tough to see what they're going through now, to not only have that separation with their siblings, their stepmom, but trying to heal with what they've gone through, you know.
Ashley Bridegan is Jared's older sister. She spoke to us from Utah, preparing for a visitation hearing in Washington state, where the twins live with their maternal grandparents. Jared's younger daughters, Bexley and London, live in Florida with Jared's widow, Kirsten.
What has this loss meant for all of them, all 4 kids?
It has been incredibly devastating because there's been that separation. So not only have they lost that support, you know, that you can find through your siblings, but they have lost each other. And so it's been extremely tough.
Would enter a plea of not guilty and demand discovery at this time.
After Shanna Gardner's arrest, her parents took full custody of the twins. But Jared's parents have been asking a judge for in-person, unsupervised visitation.
The right scenario would be for the twins to be involved in their dad's side of the family, you know, to have visitation rights, to see each other regularly, to talk regularly, to have that bond, you know, restored that was there.
Bridegan says they've had one supervised visit with her parents, Gaylord and Joanne Bridegan, and weekly video calls. Her mom and dad now asking for more. And it's a costly legal battle, so their friends started this GoFundMe to raise money for attorneys and travel to Washington state.
Does your family in the future want to get custody of the 2 older children?
We've talked about this as a family, and what my parents want is for the children to choose. You know, they want, if they've been away for, 2 years and they're comfortable, in the state of Washington, we don't want to rip that away from them. So we just want them to, be able to have a choice and say, where do you guys, want to be? And if it's not with us, then we want to be involved, in your life.
Bridegan says her family will continue to fight for what they believe is right as they go through the painful process of a pending criminal trial for Jared's senseless murder. I'm Vic Micolucci, Channel 4, the local station.
We reached out to an attorney for Shanna Gardner's parents, Shelley and Sterling Gardner, asking for their comment on the visitation case. We'll let you know if we do hear back.